first step to finding love online is to sign up for a dating site and fill out your online profile. There are some things you want to make sure you include in order to have a better chance at meeting the right person. I'll use LavaLife.com in this video as an example. So first, fill out the registration form, which is about the same on most sites, with your email address, choose a password, and enter in your gender and date of birth. Confirm that you're over 18, and now you can start filling out your profile. Now this asks you for a nickname, so it can be something that your friends call you. And then an opening line. So this should be a quote or a funny saying that you think represents you. Think of something that you want a potential match to be excited about, like embarking on another great adventure. Now you can add a paragraph to describe your personality a bit. Again, this is about you, so make sure you add things that you don't mind others seeing. Now it's picture time. Select a picture from your computer that is actually you, and make sure it's current and honestly represents you. If you select a photo from when you're in high school and you've since dyed your hair and gained a few pounds, then you're going to end up disappointed, and so will the person who wants to get to know you based on your photo. The last steps in creating your profile are adding things like your height, body type, ethnicity, religion, and maybe your smoking and drinking habits. Now you don't have to always fill these out. You have the option to prefer not to say, but if you want to meet someone with the same beliefs and lifestyle as you, then you want to include what's important to you. Then you can submit it. Thanks for watching, and don't miss the next episode in the Finding Love online series.